Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
The objective of this project is to reveal Brahma Baba. Because if revelation of Brahma Baba is made, then revelation of Shiv Baba will be done automatically. In this project, through the use of satellite imagery, the places where Lord Brahma is worshipped is found out. However, in Murli, Shiv Baba says that Pushkar is the place where Lord Brahma is worshipped. But except for Pushkar, there are places where Lord Brahma is worshipped in many places in Rajasthan. Although Pushkar is the main temple for worshipping Lord Brahma. Also, through the use of satellite imagery, few temples of Lord Brahma are found to be situated in some of the foreign countries, which will be shown in today's presentation. This is an international project for which Didi Nirmala, Sister Nyam, a space scientist by profession, and myself have become an instrument for the same. Sister Nyam also has good connections with Government of India and Thailand. The content of this project is designed by Brijmohan Bhai himself. I would like to mention that Brijmohan Bhai devoted 4 entire days while he was in Suvarnabhumi Center of Thailand and beautifully designed the content of the same. I am very happy to be the instrument of this project. The outcome of this project will be in various forms such as books, documentaries, and website for which Brother Karuna has also shown his humble participation. So this is how the project Brahma is structured. In this project, we are going to show stories which are related to Brahma in India and also all over the world. It will also include idols or statues that are related to Brahma all over the world. And later, their archives will be collected. This project is connecting India and Southeast Asia. Its title itself says many things: finite truth and infinite values. This project will also discuss about the impact of worshipping Brahma and how Brahma is worshipped all over the world. It will also include research on different spiritual movements which are related to Brahma. For example, Brahma Kumaris. The name itself includes Brahma. So, in this way, Baba's words or wisdom related to Brahma can also be included in this project. Also, whichever memory connectivity is related to Brahma will also be included. For instance, the word Brahmaputra and the word Brahmastra. What is the hidden meaning behind these words will also be included in this book. So, directly or indirectly, this project shows evidences about the presence of Brahma Baba. You can see in front of you the picture which is of Pushkar temple and the idol of Brahma. Baba has mentioned several times in Murlis that in Pushkar there is idol of Brahma. Now you can see a closer picture of this idol. This is Pushkar temple and this is the lake in Pushkar temple where gathering of people or a fair is held every year. Generally, we think that Brahma's remembrance is just in India, but actually it also exists outside India too. This image is of Thailand. It's a temple in Thailand where thousands of people come and worship Brahma. Thailand, which is a Buddhist country where Buddhist influence is more, even there, Brahma is being respected as a deity and is worshipped. How surprising this sounds! And this is the golden idol, and in front of this golden idol, dance is being offered in Bangkok. It's a Ravan temple in Bangkok. You can see the picture in front of you, and this is a golden idol in the temple. Even in Cambodia, Brahma's idol is being found. So if we give a thought on this, then India, Southeast Asia, and in other foreign countries, there are evidences about remembrance of Brahma. Even in today's time, when we talk about something, we say that this thing is from Baba Adam's era. People use such phrases in India, which means that Baba Adam's era is really very old or ancient. So, whether we say Baba Adam, or Santa Claus, which is usually celebrated more by Christians, is actually one and the same. So, according to my understanding, Shiv Baba's worship is done in every religion, but after Shiv Baba, the next person who is remembered is Brahma Baba. And that is why we are seeing that in every religion, Brahma is worshipped directly or indirectly. This is how this project will be covering all these things. Om Shanti.